Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Happy Friday the 13th. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the December 2019 Boxy Charm. And I have no idea what's in this. I didn't see any of the sneak peeks or any of that. And they haven't been sending me the email that shows you like the few items that you get. They haven't sent me that email in like the last 3 months. So I have no idea what's in here. I wanted to wait and kind of do like a surprise one this time. So let's get started. Pretty good sized box. And they kept with the inside being red again. And this month's, what is that? Oh, yeah. This month's theme is whimsy. There's a cute little decoration on the front. And let's see what we got. What's that first thing? Oh, this is cute. It's Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, and it's got a little mirror. And what does that say? Oh. Mirror, mirror, here I stand, who is the fairest in the land? Oh, that's cute. Pretty good collars too. This looks a lot like the one I'm wearing right there. Just like earthy collars. And I'll swatch these later in the video. And next I got, oh, this is a brush cleaner and a conditioner. Pro Series. I'm gonna smell this real quick. I just use like Dawn dish soap to wash my brushes. No, that don't smell too bad. It has a little bit of a mint smell to it. But cool, I'll definitely be using this. And then we have a Ciate London Marble Light blush. Oh, I have so many blushes. Oh, that's pretty though. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or I might just give this to my mom. I don't know yet. Next up we have Brow Bar True Brow Makeover Kit. I don't know, I might actually end up giving this to my mom. She has really been wanting brow products. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. I'm guessing these two are the shades, and then this here is the, like the pomade or whatever they call it. Oh, and it's got a little mirror in it too. This is really cute looking stuff this month. It's got a really nice brush. I think this is a tinted gel. I don't know, it doesn't say. I'm pretty sure that's what that is though. Yeah. But here's that. So I'm not going to swatch any of these because I'm going to give this one away. So I'm just going to leave it in there. But it's just regular brow collars. And then this is Saturday Skin Glacier Water Cream. I'm not quite sure what this even is. It's like a moisturizer. Yeah, this is a moisturizer. Be careful taking this thing off. That really just kind of went everywhere. Oh, and this doesn't even have a smell to it. Oh, it feels nice too. So let's go over how much this stuff cost. This Storybook Cosmetics is $35. I think I would pay $35 for this. You don't get very much, but it's so cute. You're basically buying the packaging with this kind of stuff. And then the Saturday Skin, it's $39. And the Ciate Illuminating Blush is $26. And this is $12. I have no idea how to pronounce this, so I'm not even going to try, but it's whatever brand that is, if you can see that. And then the Brow Bar, this is $30. I think this is all pretty reasonably priced. It's nothing in here is insanely expensive. It's all kind of like in the same price range. So I think if you really liked, sometimes I get some of this stuff and I like it, but I don't want to pay the amount of money that it costs for it. Like, I think it's too overpriced. But this stuff I think is pretty reasonable. Like, if I really liked one of these things, I would go and buy it again. But, which is really nice to get like the expensive things, but if you're wanting to use it more than that one time, I don't know. And I don't want to get hooked with something and then, you know, I don't want to pay like $50 for something that's not major. So that's the only issue that I have sometimes. But these are all nicely priced things. So I'm happy with that. And I think everything pretty much stuck to theme too. This all seemed kind of whimsical. As far as like the packaging and stuff like that goes. But I'll go ahead and get into swatching some of this. All right, let's get right into these swatches. This first one here is called Maid Marian. I love that color. And the second one is Quiver. It's light kind of a color. And the third one is Nottingham. I really like that color too. And next one is Forest. Just a regular brown. And then this one is called Merry Men. It's a nice green. And this one is called Robin Hood, which is the theme of this whole book thing. And those two would be really good to wear during my birthday because that's actually around my birthstone colors. So yeah, I really like those. I like that they threw in some mattes and some shimmers too to kind of go with it. I'm gonna have to look and see if they have any more of these that are different storybook tales, because like I said, this one's Robin Hood. I wonder what all other ones they have. All right, let's get into the blush. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's pretty. It's like the perfect color pink too. Oh, and I didn't say this color is called Dusk. Yeah, and that blush will go good with these eyeshadow colors too. And I was wanting to show up closer the eyebrow tints on here. I'm not going to touch them or nothing, but I just wanted to show the colors. They're just normal colors that you see in most brow kits. And let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and open this and kind of show. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it kind of looks like a darkish auburn maybe on that. But yeah, there's that too. And all the packaging this month is really pretty. I think that if you're going to give this stuff for gifts, maybe they kind of had that in mind to make everything look really cute. I don't know if that's what they did or not, but that's just my guess. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you liked this month's box. I actually did. I thought there were some pretty nice things in here. But I'll see you next time. Bye.